going to graph a parabola given standard form. So standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So in our example here, a equals 1, b equals -4, c equals -5. We don't need that today, but in the future we will. So now our formula to find the axis of symmetry is x equals opposite of b over 2a. All right, so now we substitute the b and the a into that formula. X equals opposite of -4 divided by 2 times 1. All right, so then we're going to get x equals opposite of -2. So then our axis of symmetry is going to be x equals +2. All right, so we go to +2 here, and I'm going to just make my best I can. Dash line coming right down. All right, so we have our axis of symmetry, but we want the vertex. So to find the vertex, we need to substitute the x value into the equation to solve for y. So we're going to go, all right, y equals 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 5. All right, so then I'm going to get y equals 2 squared is 4, minus 8 minus 5. So I get y equals -9. All right, so then what's my vertex? My vertex is x comma y, so it's 2 comma -9. All right, let's plot that point. 2, -9. It's about right here. Red point right there. All right, so now we're going to graph the parabola. So we're going to use the a value as 1. So what do? It's just like the parent graph. I go over 1, up 1 squared is 1. So I go over 1, up 1. I can do that on both sides. I go over 2, 2 squared is 4. So I go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do that to both sides. Ooh, 0, -5. The c value is the y-intercept. Yes. Then I go over 3. I go up 9. So I end up right here and right here. And if I go over 4 from the vertex, 4 over, right or left, I go up. 4 squared is 16. So I'd go up 16. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16's right there. 2, 3, 4 way there. All right, I'm not going to try to connect the dots right now, but it looks like a pretty good parabola there for us. So that's it. So it's a little bit harder than yesterday when we had vertex form, where you can see the vertex right in the equation and go, bam, there's the vertex, and use the a value. Here, we got to do some work. We got to figure out the axis of symmetry and then substitute that in to find the y coordinate so we can get the vertex. So more work to get the vertex, but then everything else is the same. Sure, I could have did this using a table of values. Matter of fact, I've showed you that before, how you can do a table and just do one side of the line of symmetry and mirror the other side. But I think a lot of students like using the a value. Once they have that down, it's easy to use. So I'm trying to teach you that method right now.